The flow across SPY, QQQ, and IWM continues to give us important signals. Let's break it down and focus on the biggest levels and where traders are leaning next. Starting with SPY, the standout dark pool activity remains the $4.5 billion block at 650.26. That's the single largest print we've seen recently, and it's the key level to watch as institutions defend or build positions. Around that, we also saw heavy billion-dollar clusters between 652 and 658, reinforcing that zone as a major battleground. On the option side, looking at the 9/17 expiry, the heaviest activity was at 661, 660, and 658 on the call side, with puts strongest at 660, 659, and 661. Calls totaled about 141K contracts versus 149K puts, leaving us with a call/put ratio of 0.95, a slight bearish lean. Moving to QQQ, the most important dark pool concentration is around the 580 zone, where nearly $1.05 billion in prints stacked between 580.50 and 580.57. That's the biggest recent cluster and the key level to watch for support or resistance. Option flow for the 9/17 expiry showed calls strongest at 592, 591, and 595, while puts stacked at 591, 590, and 592. Here, calls outpaced puts, giving us a call/put ratio of 1.25, a bullish lean. Institutions seem more willing to lean long in tech for the short term. The real eye-catcher is IWM, where we recently saw a massive $1.4 billion print at 238.34. This is the largest small-cap dark pool print in weeks, and it's the key level to watch now. If price moves around that zone, it could drive strong reactions from traders. On the option side, for 9/17, calls were concentrated at 228, 229, and 230, while puts showed lighter activity around 235, 236, and 237. In total, calls hit 43K contracts versus 19K puts, giving us a call/put ratio of 2.25, strongly bullish. Small caps look positioned for strength if this flow continues. Outside the indexes, unusual activity in single names continues to highlight opportunities. Looking at expiries within 1 month, the top flows were CRWV and technology with $4.1 million in premium and more than 7,500 contracts, ORCL with $1.4 million and over 9,000 contracts, and HIMS with $918,000 and more than 10,000 contracts. BABA and MU also showed strong inflows, but the real standouts for traders to watch right now are CRWV, ORCL, and HIMS, which could see outsized moves in the near term. To sum it up, SPY 650.26, QQQ's 580 cluster, and IWM's 238.34 are the biggest dark pool levels to watch now. SPY flow leans slightly bearish, QQQ is bullish, and IWM shows strong bullish conviction. Unusual option activity points towards select tech and healthcare midcaps as the most interesting opportunities in the weeks ahead.